Welcome back to the channel. Let's make this easy animation, and it's completely for beginners. Subscribe if you want more Blender tutorials. Press Shift+A, add a circle, keep it aside. Add a Bezier curve, extend it as you wish. Go to Object Data Properties, scroll down, select Geometry, go to the Taper object, select Bezier Circle. Now select the object under the Bevel option. Select the Bezier Circle again. Since the shape looked ridiculous, press Ctrl+A and select All Transforms. Know it looks good. Tick on Map Taper and Fill Gaps. Open the Start and End mapping. As you can see, it shows where the animation ends and where it begins. Now let's keyframe the animation. If you enjoyed the animation, please share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.